Yeah. Until they're pulled out. Whatever schedule is, right? Not windy and
they build.
Yeah.
In the spring, I think you're gonna go in right away, or are you gonna?
I'm gonna leave my mast up, obviously, but I got work to do on it in the spring, so I'm gonna have to take it down, work on it, put it back together, put it back up.
Okay.
I'm thinking if I do it, I want to take the spreaders and all that stuff off. So I don't need to. Our family tradition is that we head up to North County on Labor Day, Memorial Day weekend. So.
Okay.
But I'm gonna need probably a week before that to take the mast down, get it put back together, and then put back in. So.
All right, so we're gonna have to move you twice then. So I'm gonna put you back by the gate.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't want to put you like next in line, because the order they go in, the order they gotta call.
Yeah. So, but I mean, I'm okay with that going in early because I'm gonna take the mast off.
I just came from there.
Yeah, but I need dock space.
Oh, okay.
So why aren't you going inside then?
Is that part of your? Well, yeah, the pressure washer bottom. Yeah.
I just thought that I'd wait till spring to do it.
Oh, there
But
is.
if we gotta take your mast down anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that you got all that snow and ice in your boat all winter.
Yeah, that's
Like I said, I don't care.
yeah.
But if you're pulling the mast anyway, why wouldn't you pull that thing?
Well, I guess maybe it comes down to whatever easier for you guys. We wait till spring to pull it, or we do it now.
For us, it's probably easier to do it now while it's in the water, because otherwise, that way you can do it, because in the spring, that way your boat can go in the water, you put the mast on it right away, and you're good to go. Versus if we put you back there, now we gotta get your boat again, bring it out here, in the water, pull the mast off it.
And it's gonna sit here for another week in the water.
Yeah. I'm just.
Yeah, let me think about it. But that's the issue.
Yeah, in terms of bottom paint, yeah.
I mean, if you're thinking it's easier for us to be outside, it's actually a little more work for us for you to be outside. But if you want to save that money by being outside,
that's not the issue. The issue is just whether I kept it inside before I had all kinds of projects to work on when I was inside. I don't have that.
Yeah.
I got them all done. So.
we can pull the mast and leave it outside. I don't care.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me. I'm just thinking, what are we going to do when we first get here in the morning? We got to move you.
Yeah.
And moving you outside doesn't really benefit us.
Yeah. Well, you put me on wheels, so you can move me anytime you want. Well, sails are down, off, stowed in the car for now. We're going to take them home, or cars. Gail was down here also helping take them off. We're going to fold them at home, where we think we can do a better job. Just lay them out on the grass. Well, the sails are off. Getting closer to being ready to be pulled out. And debate going on down here whether we should go inside or outside this winter. I've got probably until Sunday or Monday to make that decision, so something to think about.
Don't take me.
folding it up in the backyard. Actually, we did a darn good job. A bit brisk down here today. Never fun cleaning out at the end of the season, but gotta be done. Well, first project down here this morning is to reposition the boat. With all the wind we've had, it seems to have gotten pretty close to the dock, so I'm going to move it away, reposition it so that it's not rubbing up against the dock. Alright, to prep for a pull-out, I'm going to take the boom off today, which means you're going to take the main sheet off first, then I'm going to take the boom vang off, which is an interesting process, so here we go. Getting warm. this one. One of the things about having a boat is you got to learn how to not to drop stuff, because inevitably if you drop it, it's going over the side. Can't tell you how many things I lost already this year. Screwdriver yesterday. Well, everything is stripped, or the boomerang is off. The boom is down on the deck and secured for the winter. It's got to tidy up some of the lines here that I've taken off and be good for the day.